Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you my Lego vending machine version 2. I'll load the code in. So I added more layers on the top and added the corners. And I added a coin door. So put in a $1 coin and you get your soda. And go to the side, pull out the coin door, tip the machine, and their coin will come out of the slide on the side. Well, I'll show you one more time, and then I'll show you from the top. There. So once again, just tip your coin on. There. So now I'll show you a view from the top. Sorry. And just shake it. It's kind of hard to get out. There. Okay, and then your soda's done here. Reach in, got it. So the mechanism is really simple. The coin just goes through the slot, and it pushes the Coke out off this little platform. So yeah, that's my Lego vending machine version 2. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.